Lower Manhattan was all marshland. It was all just oyster shells. It was like our first line of defense in terms of coastal protection. But now, oyster beds are dead.
Oyster, oyster.
They're not solitary creatures. What they really want to do is attach to one another and build a whole community together.
The breakwaters will be able to not only eliminate erosion, but reverse it.
People are more important to me these days than the oysters. The better product is society.
Keep your head back. Touch your tongue to the moment, to the recipe that hasn't changed in millions of years. Serve with lemon, if you must.